my glamorous viewers, I have created this beautiful look for you guys. I'm sure you guys gonna love it. If you like it and love it, you know what to do. So without any delay, let's start the video. I just cleaned my face with the Pixi toner, and now I'm gonna use the MAC Strobe Cream. It has a pearly effect. For my foundation, I'm using the foundation today, two light beige and medium beige from Hourglass. Light beige is going underneath my eyes, on top of my nose, here, and the dark beige is going all over the face. I'm gonna blend it with a beauty blender, and just to make this video short a little bit, so I'm not gonna record it, but you know the drill. Okay guys, today I'm gonna bake my face, whole face, even my under eyes also, with RCMA. This powder, this is a very nice and it's very lightweight powder, and it doesn't make my face very dry. So this is what I'm gonna do, and using as usual the Morphe brush. This is, I believe, R11. Okay guys, so as usual I'm still stuck with my eyebrow routine, so I did it off the camera. I'm still using my Holy Grail. These are the things. So, and of course, oh my gosh, how can I forget my love of my life? So these are the things I'm using still. So that's why I did it off the camera, so that it gets a little quicker, the video. I try my best, but my son says you're too detailed, mama, so that's why your video gets too long. So excuse me for that, but you know how much I love you guys. Okay. So today we are gonna do a very soft eye makeup, and it's very subtle, very soft, but of course a little bit drama at the end. So I will be using these two palettes, Solar and Galaxy Chic, these two palettes. First thing is first, we're gonna put the primer, soft ochre, using my finger. Using the brush today from Tom Ford, it's the number 13 brush, and using brushed color for my all over the lid. With the same brush, I'm using the Energy from the same palette. I'm going to use R41 brush and use a brighter color underneath my eyebrow. For that I'm choosing Beam from the same palette. For the corner of my eyes, I will be using R36 from Morphe and using the color Gummy Ray from the same palette. Now I'm going to clean this eye area to get a lighter color, and using the Tarte Shape Tape medium light. First I'm going to apply it and then blend it with a smaller brush. From the second palette, which is this one, Galaxy Chic, I'm using the color Cosmic, and using R39 brush and just pressing that color. and make sure you don't go above that line you created. Even though if you miss it, like say it goes up little bit, you always can take the transition color and make it look like that it didn't happen. So when I like to make it really popped up, I did with the brush, but then I'm going to use my finger and then press and slide, press and slide. That actually gives a very smooth line. See the difference with the brush you apply, it's okay, but when you see that you are not getting the look what you are trying to create, you do this. Okay, and that corner of my eyes I'm gonna use it's called Orb from this previous palette, from this palette. Okay, now I'm gonna use a little bit of glitter to make it more popped up. Now that I have to look down, as soon as I look up, it's gonna touch this part. This is really annoying, but this is the glitter. I said one side is a purple powder, one side glitter. I have few of them. For my under eye concealing, I'm gonna use Tarte Shape Tape. I'm using the Hoola bronzer for my reverse contouring, and using the brush it has with this packet for my face, but for my nose I'm going to use different brush. Using Morphe's brush for my nose contouring. So now you guys can see my reverse contouring. I'm gonna blend it down with M438 brush from Morphe again. I'm blending my nose contouring with a brush from MAC. To make it more prominent, my contour zone, I'm gonna use a powder from MAC. It's NC45. Using again M438 brush. For my blush and routine, I'm using NYX Intuition, using Morphe R36 brush. For my highlighter, I'm gonna use this baby. This is FARSALI liquid one, the jelly. Oops, so I'm scared to show you guys. So I'm gonna first apply this little bit on my cheek, and then I'm gonna use the powder also. You know I'm a drama queen. This is so cute. But make sure you blend it fast because it dries up fast. This is from Gerard. This is a Starlet palette, so I'm gonna double highlight my face with this one using this color. Using Tarte eyelash curler, one of my favorite, and curling my eyelashes before I put my falsies. Okay guys, I've just put the lashes. Now I'm gonna put this inner underneath my eye on the tear dark color, which I'm using the Galaxy Chic and Morphe 515, a very small brush, and taking again Neptune, the color. Palettes is my life. I have all of their collection. It's very good. It doesn't have any fallout. And then second one, I was about to drop it. Second one will be this, and just on the outer corner I'm using the Gummy Ray. This is little deeper purple, as you can see. I have a little fallout, and I'm gonna immediately brush it out. Okay, so that's complete my eye makeup. Now we are gonna go for lip. For lip, I am gonna use from MAC these two lipsticks. One is Rebel, one is Flat Out Fabulous. I have to mix it because Rebel is too dark, and I will dilute the color with this one. Totally mix half and half. You guys will gonna see. But first thing is first, the lip pencil. I'm using the NYX lip pencil, soft spoken. To apply the lipstick, I'm using this pencil, this brush from Tarte. I love this brush. It has a two side, but I'm using the purple side. And taking the lipsticks from here. Okay guys, that concludes, after the lipstick, that concludes my makeup. But last thing, we have to set all the makeup. So shake it, baby. Shake it, and we're gonna spray it. I can spray it all day long. I don't mind. And wait for a few seconds. Okay guys, I have made this look for you guys. I'm sure you guys are gonna like it. I love making it for you guys. And if you really like it, please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe my channel and share it with friends and family. And please do not forget to follow me at my Snapchat and my Instagram by the name of Glamby Shahida. By the way, if you and anybody is new, my name is Shahida, and I have been doing makeup for many years. I have a beauty salon for many years, so I will be very glad if you guys really share this with your friends and family. Until the next video, I will say goodbye and stay well. Love yourself, and I love you all from the bottom of my heart, and thank you for your support and love.